The following video is a OMNITURN GT-75 Series 2 gang lathe. Blair is going to run a brief video demonstration today.
We're just going to start out with a collet, open and close. Open, close, open, close. We'll run our Z-axis. Let me get it in here. Now your X. Now we'll run the spindle. Probably 500. You do have your potentiometer control. Slow it down. Right now I have it set at 100%. We'll go to 1000. $1,000. $1,500. Spindle's really quiet, really nice spindle. And we'll go to 2,000. You can hear the spindle still really quiet. Good.
Again, the following video is a OMNITURN GT-75 Series 2 CNC gang lathe.